Ever feel like ChatGPT gives just okay-ish answers, but it's like asking some random intern who just started today? You say, hey, write me a follow-up email, and it spits out something that sounds like it was written by a robot, or maybe even worse, an over-enthusiastic customer service rep. What if I told you that you could train ChatGPT to think and respond just like you, customizing it with just a few instructions? So it works exactly how you need it to, without any coding, hiring a tech expert, or anything. It's easy, and you can do it quickly. ChatGPT does not learn on its own. It only knows what's already in its system. But you can give it personal instructions to make it act more like your own personal business partner. You can tell it how to work, what you need, and even how it should talk to you. Imagine having an AI that responds exactly like you, whether it's helping draft emails, writing contracts, or giving you financial insights without needing to re-explain yourself every time. It's like having an assistant who just kind of always gets you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to customize ChatGPT so that it works the way you want, saving you time, reducing some of that frustration, those bad answers, and making AI actually useful for your business. Most small business owners use ChatGPT like a Google search, asking some random question and getting random results. But the real power in ChatGPT is making it act like a trained expert for you and your business. If you don't customize it, you're actually leaving some time and money on the table. So here's how to fix this. It's called custom instructions, and it's a built-in feature that lets you tell ChatGPT what your business does, make it match your tone and style you're speaking, give it preferences so that it delivers exactly what you need. And it's simple. You don't need to be a coder, no setup, a few tweaks, and your AI levels up right away. Let's do this together. Open up ChatGPT and go into settings over here and down to custom instructions. Now you're gonna see some of the boxes to fill in, and that's where all this magic happens. The first box is what should ChatGPT call you? And you can keep it simple. You just give it your name or be creative. Say boss, CEO. You can even say your highness if you're feeling a little fancy. Next, what you do is you tell ChatGPT about your business, whether you're a bookkeeping firm, marketing agency, construction company. This helps ChatGPT just understand your world a little bit better. Now the next box down is what traits should GPT have? Think of this as like setting its personality. Do you want it to be direct and to the point, friendly, conversational, a bit witty? This is your chance to make ChatGPT respond exactly how you like. Then in the next box, is there anything else ChatGPT should know about you? This is where you can add some preferences, responding with bullet points, summarizing long text, explaining things in just plain English. Down below that, there's advanced settings. You'll see some options. You can probably just leave these all on, or you can turn some of them off. Now this next part's super important. Don't forget to hit the enable custom instructions for your new chats. And now that you've done this, hit save. Done. No technical skills needed, no IT guy required. Your AI assistant is now smarter, faster, and way more helpful. Done this already? But this last major update to custom instructions was only on February 23, 2025. If you've used custom instructions before, it's time to redo it and refresh them. Since then, there's been significant improvements on how ChatGPT interprets your instructions. So if your AI still sounds a little bit robotic and not quite giving you quite the right things, this update should fix that. Now, I've been working with a bookkeeper who struggles to write emails, good ones anyways. Every time she needs to respond to a client or send a follow-up text, it took her way too long. We customized her GPT instructions with just something simple. Always use professional friendly tone. Summarize the report in plain English. Draft polite but firm payment reminders. Now instead of starting off with a blank screen, she just types, send a follow-up to a client who missed a payment, and ChatGPT now writes a polished, branded email in seconds. This doesn't sound like much, but it actually saves hours every week. You can do the same thing in 5 or less minutes if you follow what I've just told you, and your AI can go from generic to game-changing. Want even more tips like this? You're gonna have to join my free community. I share step-by-step guides, I give detailed instructions, and I have the best custom instruction writing formula so GPT will sound less robotic and more human every time. All you need to do is just click the link below. And if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. It costs you nothing to do, and it means everything to my channel. Thanks so much.